Everyone is trying to make money trading meme coins on Solana. They think they're just one trade away from making it big. They waste their time and money buying random coins, hoping they pump. But that's the wrong game, because people that are actually consistently making money are not trading. They're launching. They create the coin. They control the narrative. They generate the hype. And once the demand is there, they pull the rug. While everyone else is chasing candles, they're the ones creating them. Lucky for you, this is not a complicated process. You don't need to belong to a secret club, and you don't need a huge stack of cash to get going. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. This is my Phantom wallet. I used to be like you, trying to scrape profit through trading. But over the past year, I've been creating coins and cashing out. I've made over 6 figures following this process. Not by trading meme coins like everyone else, but by launching them on-chain. Same ecosystem, different position. Now, let's be real for a second. Most meme coins are designed for you to lose money, and every time you trade on someone else's coin, you might as well just hand them the money directly. Devs launch a coin. They choose a viral narrative, push the price up, wait till the coin gets hot, and dump their supply on buyers. That's why most traders get rugged. The game is rigged in the developer's favor, not because traders are unlucky or misread the market, but because the system is built that way. And once you understand that traders are just a method to generate liquidity, you realize something important. Being the developer and creating the coins is definitely more profitable than being the trader. You're no longer reacting to the market, wasting countless hours hoping to find the next big coin and get lucky and come away with maybe a few % on your initial investment. You're controlling it. You decide when to make profit. Play your cards right and you will see your wallet explode. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. So, before I begin, let me show you a big mistake that others have been making. Naturally, if someone wanted to create a coin, they do what most other people do. They go to pump.fun because it looks simple and they've seen some people make a decent profit from it. Click a few buttons, come up with a narrative, launch a coin, wait for it all to go viral before finally dumping and walking away with your profit. But that's not really the situation. Pump.fun is completely overcrowded. Look at this. I can't possibly keep track of them all. New pairs are dropping every second. Thousands of coins launching constantly. You're competing against everyone. Your coin is bound to get lost in the noise. And statistics show almost nobody wins. How could they? They're rubbing shoulders with thousands of coins and the number just keeps growing. Maybe 0.001% make anything. Everyone else gets drowned out, their investments along with it. You end up with nothing. You're right back to where you started when you were trading. And on top of that, the platform has rights and restrictions on every coin that passes through it. You don't even have full control. They control the liquidity pool, and without that, you can't maximize your earnings. And they take a cut of the fees. That's your money. So even if you win, even if your coin explodes onto the market, you're still giving up part of your upside. So, instead of following the crowd, I use a different approach. This is CreateCoin.fun, the best platform to launch your coins and rack up profits. This platform is different because here, your coin goes directly to the market. No artificial barriers, no waiting to hit some fixed market cap. Your coin is allowed to reach its full potential. And most importantly, you keep full control. No one else has their fingers in the pie. You control your liquidity. You control the fees. You're not just another launch in a crowded feed. Your coin gets the space to breathe and find its place in the market. You're no longer just a trader, nor are you one of the many thousands who are all vying for that chance at the 0.001% success rate. You're actually operating like the people who understand how the system works. The time to jump on this is now. User numbers are rising, but this strategy is far from being tapped. Now, here is where things get interesting. The biggest mistake people make when creating their coins is trying to be original. I know that sounds strange, but hear me out. Creating something from scratch means you'll have to get the hype going yourself. That requires marketing, careful observation of narratives, and frankly, a lot of luck. With no attention, your coin can't get off the ground. With no audience, who's going to buy it? That almost never works. Instead of doing it the hard way, we do it the smart way. You follow attention. You identify what's already trending, what kinds of coins are at the top of the market, what people are already talking about, where is the hype right now, and you build around that energy. The hard work is already done for you because the narrative is already there. The demand already exists. You're just positioning yourself in just the right place to capture it and profit. Okay guys, so here we are. We're on createcoin.fun. Okay, this is the website that we have been talking about. So the first thing we need to do is connect our Phantom wallet. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to click my Phantom wallet. Okay, so we can see it there. There's my username there. So I've got about $100 in this account. Okay, so we're looking at about 1.2 Solanas. All right. So what we're going to do is use something called the bumping method. Okay, which will copy an already existing coin. So where it says copy trading, that's what we're going to click on. All right, and now here we see a bunch of coins all lined up ready for us, and some of these are trading well. So we can see some of these numbers here. So let's give it a refresh. Let's see what else is bumping on the market at the moment. Okay, we'll give it one more. All right, so looking at this Pep Fund one, we have got a pretty good prospect here. Okay, so we can see 3.5k on the market cap. So I'm going to click copy coin on this one. All right, so a bit of a load time on this. Here we go. So you'll see the Phantom wallet pop up. It'll say request blocked. Now this is fine. So you just proceed, okay, and you just confirm. All right, and then you've got to tick here the understand, and then you continue along. This will always happen. This is completely normal. All right, so what that's done is it's created a token. So let's view this. Okay, so this is a Pep Fund token here. We have 1 billion in our supply. All right, so we can see our token already exists straight away after a few clicks. So then we go back to create coin.fun, and then we liquidate the fund. Okay, so we've got our liquidity pool. All right, so we've got a whole section for this. What we need to do is then click on 90%, which gives us 900 million coins. And so now we need to figure out an amount of SOL to put into the liquidity pool. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in about 0.3 SOL into the liquidity pool, and then we simply click create pool. And again, you're going to get your wallet come up with a few pop-ups, so just confirm these. Okay, so just confirm these. It is perfectly safe. So it's just not the usual way of using the wallet, so that's why it comes up. So now we have created that pool. Okay, so at this moment, people can trade our coin. All right, so let's view on Dex Screener. We can have a look, see what's happening. Okay, so we open up on Dex Screener, and initially we need to refresh. There we are. So already we've got a purchase. Now this looks like it might be a bot, but that's fine. You know, a buy is a buy. So we've got 0.1 US dollars worth purchased. Okay, so the market cap is currently at $32. Our liquidity is at 56. Okay, so let's go back to create coin. Okay, and let's refresh a few times. You can see all our statistics here. So one thing we can do is we can boost our token. Now what this will do is give it more of a presence on the market. Now it's going to cost you 0.25 SOL. However, it is an investment. So if you've got the money, it is worth putting it in. So I would suggest that you do boost it just because it will bump you up on the charts, and a lot more people are likely to buy. Okay, so just confirm the purchase there, and then we'll see how this goes. Okay, so we have been boosted. Okay, and we are currently being promoted. We're being pushed up to the top of the charts, and so we're going to sit around here for a few minutes, and we'll just see if anyone buys. All right, so a few minutes have passed. We've had another buyer come in. Okay, and so currently we're trading at $104 in the market. So someone's bought 0.36930 Solana of our coin, which is great. So already our liquidity has gone up to $122. Okay, this is great movement. So let's chill out again for a few minutes. Let's see what happens to this coin. All right, here we go. Bam, we've had another boost here. Okay, this is looking really good. So again, our liquidity is shot straight up. So we're like looking at, what's that, 282. Okay, and in the pool we've got $187. So plan is now we're going to go back to create coin and we're going to remove that liquidity pool, and then that's how we're going to make our profit. Okay, and again, this has not been on for very long. We've not had this coin on for very long. So now we're going to head back soon. Okay, I decided to leave this again for a bit more time, so you can see we've got more buys coming in. Okay, and now we have got a higher market cap, 1,700 roughly. Okay, and our liquidity is at 404, and as you can see, we are green across the board in terms of our numbers. Okay, so let's head back to create coin, and now is the time we're going to remove that liquidity. Okay, so we're back in create coin. Here's where we go. We click this minus sign, and then we remove 100% of the liquidity. Okay, remove it all. And again, your Phantom wallet's going to come up with the confirmation on this transaction, so we're just going to confirm. So now we have taken out our profits here. So as you can see on the tracker, there we go. So that has removed all the liquidity. So we have got about 2 Solana's worth of profit from that. So let's have a look at our wallet now. So as you remember, we started off with roughly $100. We're now at $302.50. So we've made just under $200 worth of profit, and that is less than a day. That is just over the course of, I don't know, a few hours. Okay, so this method, if you left this running longer, you can make some more money. Okay, now what I want everyone to do who are watching is to leave a like, follow the video, and leave a comment, and I will put you in a prize draw to potentially win half of what I make in this video, which of course is, for those doing good maths, about $100. All right, this has been the video, guys. Hopefully you're trying this method. Catch you later.